Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I pack my suitcase for a 2-week trip to England and Spain. Some of you may recall that I went on a similar trip last year, and I'll link that above. This year it's going to be a little different because I'm flying on a different airline that has weight restrictions for the carry-on baggage. I am packing carry-on only, so that means I'll just have to bring a little bit less. I'll show you how I pack my suitcase as well as my travel clutch, which I use while I'm on the airplane. If you have any tips on how to pack light, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. First, we have 3 sweaters and 2 shirts. In the next packing cube, we have my lounge pants, a stole cardigan, some jeans, and 4 undershirts. In this cube we have 7 pairs of underwear, 4 socks, a pair of mittens, and a hat. In the clear toiletry bag we have shampoo, toner, jojoba oil, my brushing oil, cleanser, homemade natural deodorant, and a little bit of shea butter. In this bag we have a pair of black boots, then I'm packing a kabuki brush, blush, shine powder, mascara, concealer, floss, tongue scraper and toothbrush, a hair tie, my ruby cup, safety razors in that bag, and an Ayati washcloth. My hairbrush and some supplements. This is my lady comb and a hair turban for the shower. In the small wallet I have some of my important cards, a pair of sunglasses, and a canvas bag. Here's the clutch I use on the airplane. I'm going to put in my phone and my passport. This is a face mask, a handkerchief. There's an extra pair of socks that I like to wear only on the airplane. And in here I'll put my eye mask, some earplugs and lip gloss, and my headphones. I use this bag around the airport, and I also put it in the seat pocket in front of me while I'm on the plane. Here's my travel outfit, travel shoes, and the outer layers I'll be wearing.